Bang. Welcome, folks. I am John Najarian, of course, and this is 3 at 3. 3 at 3, we bring you the stocks and options that have hit for unusual activity. And when they do that, we want to follow it. So without further ado, we'll dive right in. It's Friday. You probably want to get out somewhere warm or somewhere on a beach. Perhaps even just go for a walk because the day's almost over. So let's get into it. By the way, our Rebels Edge is on thestreet.com. So in addition to being able to watch it on Market Rebellion, that's marketrebellion.com/edge. You can also see it on thestreet.com. We're under their investing tab, and then you click on options, and there are a bunch of episodes up there already. This is one that we did from, I think it was Monday the 17th that you see right there. And you can watch them right on there. You can listen to us on Spotify, watch us on YouTube and so forth, and Twitter. We have a bunch of different ways to get the content out there. And right now, this show draws more than all of financial media combined. So if you want to be part of that, check it out. The Rebels Edge, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. For now, we might be going to noon soon. All right, let's dive into unusual activity, starting with Coinbase, one we talked about yesterday, I believe. We had, there it is, Coinbase bearish puts. The stock was 104. They bought 10,000 of those puts that expire the 11th of August. So 2 weeks from right now, 3 weeks from right now, because it's regular July expiration now. The 28th is next week. The 4th is the week after that. So these are 3 weeks out, folks. Anyway, they have earnings due the 3rd, I believe, of August. And stock was 104. Well, the options, these put options, the Aug 11th expiring 80 puts closed yesterday at 212. Well, we had them for you at call it $1.50, $1.60. So you could have taken 60 cents out of them and take a look where they went. For instance, today, even though they're down on the day now, they went all the way up to $2.44. So even if you got in at the very end of the day yesterday at 212 where they closed, you still made basically 30 cents on the trade, and it's up to you how long you want to hold it. But I believe I will hold the bulk of mine into the earnings, which are, as I said, the 3rd of August. There's Pete and John again. Pete Najarian and Jon Najarian. Those are our Twitter handles. Let's take a look at some ARK puts. ARKK. Kathy Woods, of course, her ARK. They're buying the September 48 puts right at the money. Because look at that, the right to sell it at 48, they paid $2.73. These are out there 2 full months into the future, so I don't think you have to be terribly quick in terms of time decay. But nonetheless, if we start moving lower with ARK, I will be selling lower strikes, in other words, underneath the 48 strikes that I own. Bang. All right, let's take a look at the next one, Amazon. Amazon stock was 130 and 14 cents. Somebody bought 1.7 million share equivalent. How do we know it's 1.7 million? Well, because 17,000 options times 100 shares, since every option is indeed for that 100 shares, means that 1.7 million share equivalent have been purchased for 2 weeks from now, August 4th expiring 130. So they're buying right at the money, and they're buying an upside call that's going to trade an awful lot like stock. The deeper it goes, the more it'll trade like stock. At the money options tend to move 50 cents for every dollar the underlying stock moved. And you've got 2 weeks of upside to be in this trade. It's kind of tempting, isn't it? Third and final is US Bancorp, USB. No, not that little thing that goes into the side of your computer, US Bancorp. And they're buying 4,400, which is 440,000 share equivalent of the 45 calls, $7 higher than where the stock is presently trading, or $6 higher than where the stock's presently trading. They paid just 45 cents. You know the drill. I'm going to buy in at the money. And as we rally, I would sell upside. But again, these are pretty far out of the money. So, and pretty long dated before they expire. That's going to do it for us, folks. I hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure you check out marketrebellion.com/get started. If you need a BOGO, go there, marketrebellion.com/bang, and you get a 2-for-1. That's marketrebellion.com/bang. And I'll see you on Monday.